everyone, welcome back. Tracy here from Dancers UK. We have just finished class. I am a sweaty mess, but it feels good. So great class today, everyone. And we did Jason Derulo's Take You Dancing today. So we're going to break down the choreography now so you can practice during the week. So first movement is, there's 4 sections to this piece. First section, you go step, tap, and forward, forward, back, and a little jump. And then the other side, step, tap, forward, forward, step, together. Now, it's not just as simple as that. We're going to add the arms, the shoulders on. So your shoulders and arms are going like this. Yeah? So we go step, and drag it, step, jump. And then on the other side, there, and forward, and back, and tap. So that happens twice through. So you go 1 and 2, and brush, and a 1 and 2, and brush, and again, and 1 and 2, and brush, and 1 and 2, and brush. Then we step out into a lunge, and your arm goes 1 slow, 2 quick. Then this is the tricky bit. Your arm unfolds itself, and at the same time as unfolding yourself, you put your head under the bar and pull yourself up. So I always imagine there's a bar that I've got to go underneath. 2, and then underneath and slide through. Okay, so we'll do that again. So it's just slow, quicker, underneath, together. Round, 2, and underneath, together. Next section. This is the chorus. So we go. Arms are going to come up and down like this, and at the same time you're going to go up on your toes and down, and up and down. And then you step out and back together, and step out and back together. So that together looks like this. Up and down, and out, together. Then you step out and pull in the elbows, pulling the elbows back like this. And you do single, double. Single, double. Single, double. At the same time, your hips are twisting. So you have your feet facing forward, and what you do is you swivel on your toes and drop that knee in and out, and in and out, and then you do 2. So put them together, it looks like this. Pull, double. Pull, double. Pull, double. Pull, double. So the whole chorus bit together goes like this. 1, 2, step out and together, and out and together. Pull and double, and single, double, and again, and out, and pull, and double, and single, double. That's the chorus choreography. That's the section that you need for that. Then it gets to the instrumental break, but it's not really. There's someone singing on it, and it's a running man. So if you don't know what running man is, you go to step on it, but at the same time you push your foot back, and then step and step. It's really hard to do it slowly, so let's just try it. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go step, kick, step, back, step, kick, step, to the other side. And step, and kick, and step, and back. Step, and kick, and step, and back. Let's do that once again. So we go, and back, and step, and kick, and back. Step, kick, and back. 2, 3, 4, and step, and kick, is all the movements that you need for Jason Derulo's Take You Dancing. Have a go, play about with it, have fun with it, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.